Welcome back to another yoga session. We're going to have so much fun. Let's get started. Sit comfortably with your feet touching together. Relax your knees toward the floor and take calm, steady breaths while your body feels softer and more peaceful with every moment. Place your arms firmly on the mat. Lift your hips upward and breathe slowly as your shoulders strengthen and your spine stretches long and smooth. Lie gently on your back. Hold your feet with bent knees and rock softly from side to side while your hips and back loosen with every easy breath. Step forward into a deep lunge. Raise your arms high above your head and breathe deeply as strength, balance, and calm energy flows through your body. Body into a comfortable squat. Press your palms together and breathe slowly while your hips open and your mind becomes relaxed and centered. Relax your body by laying down on your back. Breathe slowly and feel the calm. Steadily on one leg. Stretch one arm toward the sky and breathe calmly while your body feels strong, focused, and perfectly balanced. Open your chest upward, let your neck relax gently, and take deep calming breaths while fresh energy moves through your lungs and heart. Rest on your back, guide one knee across your body, and breathe slowly while your spine relaxes and tension gently fades away. Lift your body sideways with control and balance. Keep your core strong and breathe evenly while building steady strength and quiet confidence. Put your arms behind your back and breathe deeply as your shoulders stretch and tightness slowly melts away. Stand upright, stretch your arms overhead, and lean gently to one side, while smooth breathing lengthens your body and calms your mind. Bend your front knee, reach one arm overhead, and breathe deeply as your chest expands and powerful peaceful energy flows through you. Lie on your back, hug your knees comfortably toward your chest, and breathe softly while your lower back relaxes into complete comfort. Spread your feet wide apart, fold forward carefully, and let your upper body relax, while deep breaths release stress and tension from your body. Rest on your stomach with your forearms supporting you. Lift your chest gently upward, and breathe calmly while your spine feels long and supported. Stand wide with your arms stretched outward. Lift your chest proudly, and breathe deeply as you feel awake, energized, and full of confidence. Lie flat on your back, bring your feet together comfortably, and relax your knees outward, while slow breathing fills your body with peace and relaxation. Sit softly on your heels, rest your hands on your thighs, and focus on slow, steady breathing while your body becomes still and your thoughts grow quiet. Place one foot forward and lower your back knee softly. Lift your chest comfortably and breathe deeply as your hips stretch and your body feels refreshed. You did an amazing amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Let's catch up later in a new yoga episode. Bye!